आपको सुनाएंगी। क्योंकि अदब का हिस्सा इंग्लिश उर्दू सब जुबानें होती हैं, हम चाहते हैं कि इनकी हौसला करते हैं।
When blues had spread over the sky, when we were told we had to fly, we could not even if we tried, 'cause we never learned how to fly. And the lights became too bright, you vanished out of my sight. It was later I found out, oh my, that you had learned to touch the sky. I know that one day you will fall, and I'll hear my name being called. But let me tell you, I won't lie. I will not also look behind. I will not let you look behind. Flying and floating away in zest, nature's beauty is at its best. Flicker and flutter from flower to flower, till it reaches the mighty white flower. It carefully lands its legs on its petals, enchanted by its charm, a series of travels. It does not dare to reach for its pollen, with the fragile flowers it was born. It looks at it with utopian eyes, teases the resistance from the skies. The vulnerable insect flapped its wings, as a romantic forlorn tune it sings. Oh flower, I am unworthy of your zeal. I'll give you pain that you can't feel. So let me go, leave the camaraderie, or encounter this gleam of melancholy. I'll see your glory from away, but for now I need to fly away.